What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing another pack opening, and today we have this Megaton right here, which I have actually never opened up one of these before, and at my Target these were half off, so we're basically guaranteed to profit. Let's see if we can make a profit. Let's get right on it. Alright, so starting off, we're going to be opening this Tactical Masters blister pack, which these were actually only like $3 a pop. So we're going to be opening up 2 of these today. 2 Tactical Masters and 2 Photon Hypernova. Tactical Masters, let's see what we can pull. That was the wrong side. Alright, can we get... I don't really know what the pack trick is for these, but I think it is 3 or 4 from the back. We'll do 4. Alright, we have Labyrinth Stovey Torby, Astrograph Sorcerer, Senate Switch, Imperial Iron Wall, Pendulum Switch, Compulsory Evacuation Device, and Labyrinth Setup. Alright, next pack of Tactical Masters. It is 4 from the back. Let's do that. 4 from the back. We got Anti-Spell Fragrance, Valence Dominator Duke, Valence Voltage Viscount, Runic Allure, Bear Blocker, and Runic Smithing Stone, and last card, Moonin, the Runic Wings. Alright, now we're going to open up this Megaton, and we're going to see what we can pull out of the Mega Packs. Alright, we've got the Megaton open, and let's see what we can pull. Alright, first Mega Pack. What can we pull? Pretty sure these have like 18 cards each in them, so let's open it. Alright, so it starts off with 12 commons. We're going to skip past the commons. Alright. We have Trap Tricks Vesiculo, Goki Finishing Move, Earth Chant, DD Assault Carrier, and Greater Polymerization, Secret Rare. I'm not quite sure how much this is worth. It could be worth a lot, could be worth nothing. I don't really know. But we have Greater Polymerization. And then nothing else good. Alright, now we're going to open up this Photon Hypernova. I've never actually opened up Photon Hypernova, but let's see if we can pull anything. We have Bestial Baldrake, Light of the Branded, Kashtira Overlap, Xyz Align, Dogmatica Matrix, and those are the rest of the comments. Alright, now we're going to open up one of these Mega Packs. I'm pretty sure it is 6 from the back. So, pretty sure those are all the commons. So now I think the secret rare will be at the back. Let's skip past the commons. We have Laundry Trap, Florindries and Stree, Paleozoic Cambroaster, Armed Dragon Thunder level 10, Mimicking Maneater Bug, and Lightning Storm. I'm not quite sure how much this is worth, but I'm pretty sure this is a good one. Lightning Storm. Let's go. Alright, now we're going to open up Photon Hypernova again. Alright, we got the pack out and see what we can pull. Alright, let's do the pack trick. We have 4 from the back. Well, no, we do 5 from the back, and that should be. Alright, we have Light of the Branded. We have Gold Pride Leon Secret Rare. Let's go. I did not do the pack trick right, but we got a Secret Rare. Gold Pride Leon. I'm not sure if this is one of the good ones or one of the bad ones, but I'm pretty sure this is worth a lot of money. So we got another Secret Rare. Gold Pride Leon. This has actually been a crazy opening so far. So I'll absolutely take that. Alright, last mega pack. See what we can get. Six from the back. Alright. Let's get past the commons. Alright, we have Stardust Illumination. We have ZS Armed Sage. Masquerade the Blazing Dragon. Dark Infant at Ignister. That's a name for a card. Rebuildier. And Tri-Brigade Kit. Alright, so that is going to be it for today's opening. Hope you enjoyed. We actually had a crazy opening. We have 4 secret rares. Pretty sure these 2, or these 3, are actually worth a lot of money. So, I don't know if we profited or not. It's going to be right there if we profited or not. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more awesome content like this. And yeah,